D'Souza from Team Akhil.
You can feel the vibes, Tanveer.
Yeah,
Like, they're just crazy vibes in the air. And I'm feeling nervous, honestly. But both fighters looking very confident right now.
exactly.
Both fighters show respect.
I mean, Saksham, I want to remind the audience it's a catchweight bout at 55, and I'm really excited to see how it goes. Okay, he goes for
Ryan
the
D'Souza
leg.
immediately goes for the leg.
He's butt scooting. Nice. Saksham, I want to remind you in BJJ we have only straight ankle lock. There is no leg
No
locks,
leg
no
locks.
heel hook.
I think he has it. I think
I
Ryan
think he
D'Souza
has
has
it.
it.
I think he has it, Saksham.
He has it. I think Ryan D'Souza has it. Kesha Sharma doing his best to turn. I think Kesha Sharma
Keshav
holding
Sharma.
on right now. Man,
Keshav
hard of a
Sharma needs
fighter.
to
Honestly.
bend his knee, come up.
Okay. I think Ryan
I
D'Souza
think Ryan is
has
going
it.
for the leg.
He has the leg.
I think Ryan has it.
Oh no,
Oh, it's a
Kesav.
reversal.
It's
It's
a
a reversal.
beautiful reversal by Kesav. Kesav now trying
Still,
to
Keshav's leg is stuck,
stuck. Yeah. Okay.
and they're going for it again. Ryan is constantly going for that straight ankle lock. I mean the way,
I can hear Ryan's breathing. Ryan is breathing heavy.
but you know, Saksham, the way this bout has started, the intensity
the
of this
intensity
bout,
of around 6 minutes, I can only imagine.
exactly. It's just crazy. I think Ryan really needs to control the knee, Saksham. Uh, he doesn't have a knee control over there. That is why he is not able to do the straight
Uh,
ankle lock. And of course, props to Keshav, the way he's defending.
Okay. Keshav trying to come on top. Keshav almost has it. No. Ryan still has that leg.
You know, Saksham, I really feel Ryan should leave the leg and go for some other submission. Holding on to one thing for next 6 minutes doesn't help.
Yeah, and
It's
and as you can see, Keshav is almost
on the verge of
on the
reversing.
verge of reversing and passing the guard, but good hooks by Ryan. I think Ryan. It was
Oh,
a half
Ryan
guard. Now it's a
recovers
full guard.
guard. Oh, good reversal.
Good
That's a good
reversal.
reversal. Now Ryan on top, on
Arm
mount.
triangle. I think he's gonna. I think there's an arm triangle there, but Ryan takes control. I think very important thing in BJJ is maintaining control and then going
I
for submissions. And right now, I think Ryan is aiming for that. I think he has. I think Ryan will aim for an armbar. He already has one of the legs in for the triangle. And 4 minutes are up in the round. We just have 2 minutes left. He has the triangle. I think he has the triangle. Referee looking closely.
I think he scooped Saksham. I think
I think
it's
he's
there.
scoped. Yes, I think
there.
it's there. I think it's there.
there,
I think
Saksham.
it's there. Yeah, it's tight.
It's
I feel
tight.
it's tight. Referee checking in closely. My God, Keshav
My
has
God.
heart. Keshav has still not tapped. I think he has the arm also. Ryan has the arm. Ryan is targeting the arm right now. Keshav is still holding on. Man, heart of a fighter for sure. That was a deep, tough situation to be in. Referee has stopped the fight.
Stop the
and
fight.
Ryan wins.
Ryan wins.
Ryan D'Souza wins the bout by
Triangle.
Ryan D'Souza wins this fight. First finish of the day, Tanveer.
And it was.
It
through
was
a
the
triangle.
third fight. It was through a triangle and it was just the third
Third round.
bout.
I'm really excited. But you know the intensity of this bout.
That
It
is
was crazy.
immaculate.
It was
It is
crazy.
crazy.
You know. So